Finland work permit step by step. Do not skip video. Another day, another story. To apply for a Finland work permit from Nepal, India, or Pakistan, you will need to meet the following requirements. 1. Have a valid work contract in Finland. 2. Have a university degree, except for seasonal work. 3. Work professionally in your field. 4. Be clear of any criminal charges. 5. Not be a danger to Finland. You can apply for a work permit online through the Enter Finland service or on paper at the Finnish embassy or consulate in your country. The application process takes about 3 months. Here are the specific steps on how to apply for a Finland work permit from Nepal, India, or Pakistan. 1. Find a job in Finland. 1. Once you have found a job, your employer will need to provide you with a job offer letter and a Finnish work permit application form. 2. Gather the required documents. 2. The required documents for a Finland work permit application vary depending on your nationality and the type of work permit you are applying for. 2. However, some common documents include a passport that is valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in Finland, a recent passport-sized photograph, a copy of your university degree or other relevant qualifications, a criminal record check, a medical certificate, a financial statement showing that you have enough money to support yourself during your stay in Finland. 3. Apply for a work permit. 3. You can apply for a work permit online through the Enter Finland service or on paper at the Finnish embassy or consulate in your country. 4. Pay the application fee. 4. The application fee for a Finland work permit is €110. 5. Wait for a decision. 5. The processing time for a Finland work permit application is 3 months. If your work permit application is approved, you will be issued a residence permit card. This card will allow you to live and work in Finland for the duration of your work permit. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when applying for a Finland work permit. 1. The Finnish government has a shortage of skilled workers in some sectors, such as information technology, engineering, and healthcare. 1. If you have skills in one of these sectors, you may be able to get a work permit more easily. 2. The Finnish government also offers a number of programs to attract foreign workers, such as the Finnish Degree Grant and the Finnish Work Experience Program. 2. These programs can help you to find a job in Finland and get a work permit. I hope this helps. Like and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.